guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome from a brand new video. आज के इस वीडियो में आई एम कवरिंग द BMC हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफिस विच इज़ इन CST एंड अभी फ़िलहाल मैं वही लोकेशन में हूँ. दैट व्हाट यू सी बिहाइंड में इज़ द आइकॉनिक VT स्टेशन. सो यहाँ पे ही है BMC का ऑफिस एंड फर्स्ट टाइम इन 100 years ये ऑफिस खुला है फॉर पब्लिक विजिटिंग. एंड आज मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ फाइनली टू गो सी द ऑफिस. बहुत ही विक्टोरियन एरा का फर्नीचर एंड स्टाइल है इनसाइड एंड बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रिजर्व करके रखा है. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ यू कैन बुक टिकट्स टू दिस प्लेस. प्लस यहाँ पे कैसे आते हैं, टाइम स्लॉट्स क्या है, प्राइसेस क्या है, ऑल द डिटेल्स विल बी कवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो. सो कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. The BMC headquarters, which stands for the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, is located right opposite to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal, full form of CST station in South Mumbai. This is a 1-hour walking tour of the BMC headquarters, which is conducted by Khaki Tours. In this heritage tour walk, we were first greeted by our tour guide who very well explains and highlights the lesser known and important facts of the then known city of Bombay. The tour begins from the viewing deck, which has a stunning background of the BMC office and the CST station. This viewing deck over here जो स्टेशन के exactly सामने है and that is the BMC office headquarters that we are going to visit later. But this is the viewing deck. You can come here and take photos. बहुत सारे public यहाँ पे आते हैं. This is one of the prime tourist attraction as well. यहाँ पे आके आप आराम से photos निकाल सकते हो with this heritage iconic building. The interesting tour now begins. Firstly, we were made aware of the rich history of the iconic building of Mumbai, the CST station and the BMC headquarters. It's an excellent example of the Victorian Gothic revival architecture that was designed by the British architect F.W. Stevens. Also, an interesting fact, एशिया का सबसे पहला ट्रेन CST से थाने तक का सफर था. Now we entered the building, we were immediately stunned by its architecture and style. The rich use of materials, the details and the marvelous work of art left us all spellbound. The mighty lions with wings stood strong as they welcomed us inside. The BMC headquarters is now open to the public after 128 years and entering this place feels like a travel back in time. Later taken to the open gardens of the headquarters, where one can admire the Gothic architecture and style having a closer look. Also here, there is the oldest lift of Bombay. यहाँ पे पुराने ज़माने में जब ये बना था, यहाँ पे एक लिफ्ट भी हुआ करता था दैट यूज्ड टू बी ऑपरेटेड बाय हाइड्रोलिक्स. मतलब पानी का स्टोरेज करके, पानी को इस्तेमाल करके वो लिफ्ट को ऑपरेट किया जाता था. ऑफ कोर्स दैट लिफ्ट हैज़ नाउ बीन रिप्लेस्ड विद अ मोर इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड मोर एडवांस वर्जन. बट आप सोच सकते हो कि उतने पुराने ज़माने में लिफ्ट यूज़ किया जाता था. For the lift, the water used to be stored in the upper domes of the building. And the fascinating part is that the dome that we see from the outside is not the same dome that we see from the inside of the building. This is an architecture design trick. Corridors are these ancient ones and अभी भी बहुत beautifully restore किए हैं. और some parts of this place were burned down due to a recent fire, but वो अभी सब restore करके बहुत ही पहले जैसे ही किया है and so beautiful. Every corner you see एक detail आपको ज़रूर दिखेगा. That is the architectural detail or design detail which is so very pretty. This place is really marvelous. Walking through these corridors feels like a dream. The pretty tile work, the exposed original beams and the carvings and the detail was so picture perfect. Also in these corridors, you can find many offices of big political parties too. Then we were taken inside to one of the most beautiful rooms of the headquarters, the Corporation Hall. As soon as you enter, the eyes are drawn to these huge black ceilings with real gold detail and magnificent chandeliers that brighten the room. Here, all the important decisions and discussions are taken. Also, this is where the mayor of the city sits. A fact about the mayor's chair is that it goes along with the mayor whenever the mayor is in the building. It has wheels and travels with the mayor. This is a tradition going on for years and has been still followed today. The tour was later followed to the upper floor through the circular wooden stairs, where we witnessed another iconic room. Having the round table and stunning tall ceilings. Sitting here made us all feel like a part of an important committee. Felt like a strong personality. और फिर हम गए अनदर व्यूइंग डेक में, जहाँ से हमें पूरा CST का नज़ारा दिखाई दिया. एंड दिस फीलिंग वॉज आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. हमेशा से बाहर से या दूर से ही इसे देखते आए हैं और आज ये आइकॉनिक बिल्डिंग के अंदर जाने का मौका मिला और इसे और नज़दीक से देखने में अलग सा जादू है. व्यूइंग डेक ऑफ द ऑफिस. यहाँ से यू कैन एक्चुअली सी द रोड एंड एवरीथिंग. हम लोग ये हमेशा नीचे से देखते थे एंड टुडे वी गॉट टू सी इट फ्रॉम अप अबाव एंड इट इज़ सो प्रिटी. द आर्किटेक्चर इज माइंड ब्लोइंग ओवर हियर. From here you can also see the city's angel, which is standing tall since 100 years and has literally seen the city grow from Bombay to Mumbai. The Latin script underneath it reads Urbs Prima in Indies, which reads to primary city in India. और आगे बढ़ के we visited the open private museum. The pictures displayed the old Bombay era and one can read and learn more about Bombay's history. Lastly, we visited one of the dome of the building. Now we're heading to the last part of the tour, which is to see the whole dome structure जो हमको बाहर से दिखता है. This is the entry to go and as you can see a little peek of it. It is so pretty. I can't wait to see it. So let's go inside and check it out. The details on this dome had intricate carvings and delicate details that blew our minds. ये वही डोम है जो हमें नीचे एंट्री से दिखाई देता है. पास से तो इसकी तो बात ही अलग है. It is unbelievable how this was executed and built 100 years back and is still looking newer than ever. Literally, the tour ended on a high. The name of the tour conducted by Khagi Tours is Urbs Prima, which could be booked via booking.com. The slots are currently available only on the weekends and the cost is Rs 350 per person. It's truly a must-see place where you will fall in love with Mumbai all over again. So this brings us to the end of this video and this was the BMC headquarters here in CST. बहुत ही सुंदर है and the architecture is truly marvelous. All the details to book this tour and all other details will be in the description box down below. Check it out so that you can know more about this place. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is me, Krishna, signing